Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard milk for Halo Halo. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready on the counter. You'll need whole milk, egg yolks, granulated sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient. This simple preparation step saves time and prevents any last-minute scrambling. Now let's combine our main ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together 4 egg yolks and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and slightly thickened. Meanwhile, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat until it's warm but not boiling. This careful heating prevents scorching and ensures a smooth custard base. It's time to cook our custard milk. Slowly pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining warm milk. Continue to stir constantly with a wooden spoon or whisk over low heat. Do not let it boil. Cook until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. This gentle cooking ensures a creamy texture. Once thickened, remove the custard milk from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an extra silky texture, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until completely cold. This makes it perfect for your Halo Halo. Check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.